And welcome back. We have received some questions recently about issuing and returning parts on the Hexagon EAM digital work app. Similar to the desktop application, there are a few options available. For example, parts can be issued and returned from either the parts screen or the work order screen. Additionally, there are two other screens available. These screens are available from the mobile menu under Materials, then Transactions. Let's start by taking a quick look at the Issue Transaction screen. The Issue Transaction screen is designed for organizations using scanning capabilities. After entering the issue from details by selecting the store and the work order activity, so we'll go ahead and populate the information here. You can then proceed with starting the part scan. Now, once I tap the button at the bottom of the screen to start part scan, the system will allow you to begin entering the part transaction details by scanning the part code. You will notice there are no field lookups on this screen. So an alternative would be the Issue Return Parts screen. So if I return to the mobile menu and navigate back to Materials, Transactions, then Issue Return Parts, this screen mimics the screen that's available on the desktop application. One thing to note is the Issue Return Parts screen is only available for advanced mobile users. Now, if you're looking at this screen for the first time on your device, the layout of the fields may look a little different than what I am showing. I have changed the order of the fields to follow a more logical order that aligns with my organization's business process. So after entering the store that I'm going to issue my parts from, I can then proceed with selecting the work order activity. So if you were referring to this same screen on the desktop application, you would be populating the information that you typically see in the header section of the Issue Return Parts screen. Now, once I've completed the necessary information, I can then proceed with tapping on the Issue Return Parts button. This will allow me to begin adding parts to add to my transaction. So I could go ahead and enter in the part number and designating the transaction quantity. And similar to the screen on the desktop application, you can add as many parts as necessary. Then once you are done, you will tap on the three dots in the top right corner and proceed with submitting the transaction. While we focused on the materials transaction screens, please remember parts can also be issued and returned on the part and work order screens. Please like this video if you found it useful and comment below on what you'd like to see next. Thank you.